So here's ways to use stuff that you already know, like triads, kind of get the most mileage out of them. All right. Instead of making our brain explode by trying to target 9s, 7s, and 11s, we can use other triads to kind of get those sounds. All right. Doesn't matter where they are. So for example, on any minor chord, we can use a whole step below its major triad. So for example, D minor, I can use a C major triad anywhere across the neck, and I'm going to get the 9th, the 7th, and the 11th sound out of those 3 notes. All right, a little bit easier way to think about it and ways to target those notes without kind of, like I said, making our head explode. Now we can do something similar with a major chord now. To get a major 7th sound, we can use that major chord 3rd minor triad. So what I mean by that, if we're in the key of F, then I can use an A, which is the F's 3rd minor triad, and that kind of brings us a major 7th sound. That's the 3rd, the 5th, and the major 7th. All right?